This is an extremely low-hour 2016 Biesse Viet S1 dual-head 43-inch calibrating wide belt sander. Both heads are powered by a 21 kilowatt or 28 horsepower motor. The first head is a 7.5-inch helical grooved rubber drum, while the second head is a 7.5-inch helical grooved rubber drum with a combination head. The heads can be programmed to pneumatically raise and lower along with the platen, so you can do all three or any of the three with the twist of a button. This machine also includes digital height readout along with a calibration unit to the left of the conveyor. The conveyor speed is controlled via a variable frequency control. The max width is 43 inches while the max height is 6.25 inches.